So good day sa ating mga viewers dyan. Welcome back sa ating channel na Pinas Update. At ating pag-uusapan ngayon ang mga mainit na balita about Ghost Flood Control Project. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Di balasahin yan.
Ayan si Madam Roma.
St. Timothy, and I think Wawaw is here.
Yeah, St. Timothy, meron kayong ghost project sa Bulacan?
Mr. Chair, wala po.
Okay, categorically. Tapos yung Wawaw,
Parang imposible na walang ghost project to mga to. Diba? Nakasimangot pa si huwag ganyan, ma'am. Relax lang.
Good morning po.
yeah, can you answer yes or no? Ghost project? Can you turn on the microphone, please?
Hindi na malaman yung gagawin niya eh. Parang nervous.
It's a yes or no question, sir. Wow, you're
You don't
looking,
even know?
you're looking for your lawyer.
Grabe. Marunong mangurakot, kaso nga lang di marunong sumagot. Naku, ano ba yan? Yari ka.
Yes, wow.
Invoke my right of incrimination, Your Honor.
Okay.
Nako.
Can you repeat your answer?
Wow.
Can you repeat your answer, Mr. Arevalo?
I invoke my right for self-incrimination, Your Honor.
My God.
Naku, pahirapan to. I invoke my right. Naka.
The question of the majority floor leader is very simple. It's very simple. Do you have any ghost project in any of the areas here in the Philippines? Answer.
Naku. Hindi makasagot. Naku po. Ano ba yan? Naku po. Patay tayo dyan.
Dahil may mga usapin po na kakasuhan yung mga contractor ng DPWH po at parte ng ulat ng Senado na magpagrekomenda ng paghahain ng kaso laban sa resource person, ang payo ng aking mga abogado ay huwag magsalita sa panahon na ito dahil anumang pahayag ko sa pagsisiyasat.
Sino nag utos sa'yo na huwag magsalita?
Naku. Ang hirap. Natagal magkasagot. Naku po. Patay kayo kay Jinggoy.
Sino? May binabasa ka ba?
Ginawa ko po, Your Honor.
Ano binabasa mo?
Pasensya po kasi kinakabahan po kasi po.
It is only
Kakabahan talaga dyan sa Senate hearing na talaga yan.
answerable by yes or no, Mr. Arevalo. Is there any ghost projects of Wawaw builders? This is what I discovered, and the former secretary confirmed during the first hearing that there indeed are ghost projects.
Bine-verify pa po namin, Your Honor, ang ano kung meron po.
Ano ka ba sa Wawaw? Are you the owner?
Yes po, Your
And
Honor.
you should know.
Wala, owner ng pula siya. Ba't di siya makasagot ng maigi?
Majority Leader, it's your time, ha?
Parang hindi siya yung may-ari, no? Patay mali siya.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, I'm just disappointed, Mr. Chairman, kasi pambira ka, sasagot ka ng ganyan, ghost project. Parang tinatanong ka kung tao ka, hindi mo alam kung tao ka. Mr. Chairman, just to put on record also, no, yung Diskaya Group, ang total cost project nila from 2022 to 2025 ay 31 billion pesos.
Naku, grabe. Laking pera naman yan. Ilang bahay na yan.
31 billion pesos dito sa
Ilang tuloy na. Ilang flood control na yung ganyan na budget. Grabe.
siyam na kumpanya na ito. Yung Sims at yung Wawaw Builders, at dun sa 31 billion, Mr. Chairman, 3 billion na sa Bulacan, Region 3, if I'm not mistaken. 2.8 billion sa Bulacan. Yung Sims, tsaka yung Wawaw, meron pong 4 billion at
Grabe, ang laki ng pera ng mga yan. Nakakalula yung mga kinukuha nila.
1.2 billion sa Bulacan. May I know from COA kung na-audit niyo po itong tatlo na itong binanggit ko na ito, na kumpanya?
Sir, ito po yung mga na-subject for audit, fraud audit, especially for Bulacan po, sir, Your Honor.
Yes, and nakita nyo may ghost project. Kaya hindi makasagot ito eh. Oh.
Opo.
Can you confirm?
Huli-huli na may ghost project. Naku po.
Eh, hindi ko pa po ma-confirm,
Because
sir,
we're going to get
Wala po
we
ako.
subpoena already the document.
Naku. Pag ikaw nasabina na, alam mo yan, kamot ulo ko dyan.
So, can you confirm? Yes or
Your
no?
Honor, wala po akong kopya nung audit highlights.
Yan lang. Gaganyan mga dahilan, walang mga hindi handa, walang mga kopya. Dapat pag nandiyan kayo, handa na.
Do you also audit itong pickup?
Meron po tayong mga auditors assigned sa DTI, Your Honor, at may mga findings din po sila, kaya na-audit din po yung pickup po.
I'll go with the pickup, no? Nandito si Dr. Dakay. Dr. Dakay,
Ito si Dakay, isa sa mga malaking contractor, respective yan.
ilan kayo sa board? Can you just mention the names? Tatlo?
Yeah, there are 3 of us, Your Honor. Engineer Ernie Bagaw, Engineer Arthur Escalante, and myself.
Okay. Kayong tatlo, as board members ng pickup, are you also contractors, officers, or owners of companies that have government contracts with DPWH or LGUs, sir?
Our company, Your Honor, does not have any projects with the DPWH.
Kayong tatlo na members ng board, I have documents here to prove something, sir. Please don't lie to me, please.
Yes, that's why. Engineer Bagaw, AGB, and Arthur Escalante have projects with the DPWH.
So meron, sir, Your Honor.
Grabe, ang daming project nila na ginagawa.
Is that correct? Yes, the current pickup board members have construction contracts with DPWH, and I can show with you later, LGUs and other government entities with their respective companies. Your answer is yes, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you don't think it's not right for you guys to have these contracts? For example, Dr. Dakay, as chairperson, associated po kayo dun sa Dakay Construction and Development Corporation. May projects po kayo with national and various local governments for public facilities like government buildings and schools. Si Engineer Bagaw, one of the top contractors ng flood control project, securing worth 7.7 billion. Si Engineer Escalante signed a contract with DPWH on behalf of his company in May 2022, while already a pickup board member. Are you aware of this, sir?
Yes, I'm aware of that, Your Honor.
And there's nothing wrong with it?